Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Ryan here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get started on your rain stick. So you're going to need a few materials. First, you're going to start off with a paper towel tube or a toilet paper tube. Now, I'm using a toilet paper tube for this, so my rain stick is going to be smaller. You're going to need some scissors, and you're going to need some tape. If you have any foil, so if your family can get you some, or even sometimes like when you have foil like from like a pizza box, you could use the leftover as long as it's clean. And you're going to need some sort of either bean, or in my case I'm using corn kernels, or even like small pieces of pasta, so that this is going to go inside the rain stick to make the noise. What I did first was I covered one of the bottoms of the tubes, and all I did was I took tape and covered it well. You can use other things, like if you don't have tape, sometimes people use fabric, like a little piece of fabric with a rubber band around it. But I chose to use tape just because I had it around the house. So the tape is covered, and then I take one more piece. And what I'm going to do is kind of wrap it around just to kind of secure it. Because you want to be careful that the beans or the corn or whatever you're deciding to use to make the noise of your rain stick is not going to fall out. So this tape has to be pretty secure when you put it on there. So here's my bottom, nice and secure. I know nothing's going to get out of it. Then the inside, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the foil, I'm going to crinkle it a little bit, and I'm going to put it in here before I put the corn kernels in. So you just take the corn kernels or the beans, whatever you're using, and you're going to fill it up. And I'd say, mine's pretty small. I don't want to overfill it, so I probably filled it maybe a quarter of the way. And then the last thing I'm going to do is seal the top of my paper towel tube, and then I'll be able to decorate the outside of it. So for the next part of the video, I'm going to do it in a time lapse, so you can see me have it finished off. And then in the end, I will have you look at my finished piece, and plus you'll be able to hear the actual noise that the rain stick is going to make. All right, guys, so here I am with my finished rain stick. I made sure that the top and the bottom is sealed well so none of my corn kernels fall out. So right now I'm going to have you just listen carefully to the noise it's going to make. So I'm going to do it slowly. And of course, you can shake it and it'll make a louder noise. And if you end up using a paper towel tube, which is much longer than the toilet paper tube, the noise will actually trickle down much longer because there's a lot more space for it to fall through. I just didn't happen to have any at my house right now. So if you would like to share these with Mrs. Fosnick or I, you can email them to us or on my Flipgrid. We'd love to hear from you and see what you've been up to and have a lot of fun with this. And hopefully the snow will go away and maybe that rain will come and we'll get some more springtime weather on our way. Bye.